What's going on, guys? Today we are reacting to Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 12, so let's jump right into the reaction. So I think we're doing a little shopping before we leave Burland. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah, now they got all that fish from the sea. Pause. Yo, fell. Oh, they're like mid-cooking. Oh shit. You could just like buy something and eat it right then and there. Oh wow, they're grilling them and everything. Shit. Look at them all smug and proud of themselves. Oh shit, you get a giant bowl like that? Is that for all of them or just Phil? I guess it's for all of them. Oh, they're gonna just go around eating all day long. Rock clam soup. Yo, those look like pine cones. Oh, okay, so she boiled them to make soup. Oysters. Oh. Yo, is she like, no way? Oh, damn. Food poisoning. Damn, okay, she's like really on him about this. Dude, the vibes in this show are like so nice. Like the music and everything I always love. So he's like stocking up. He's getting a bunch of stuff. It's like tied around Phil. They took a nap. Sui's like melted. Uh-oh. Oh, he's gonna grill stuff too? Oh shit. What's he making? He's like, I want meat, not leaves. Oh, that's flour? Hold on, Phil. There's gonna be meat. Don't worry. Oh, this is gonna like cover the meat. That's what I'm guessing. This is gonna like be a coating over the meat. Or is there no meat this time? Is it just like a soup? Oh, okay, so like small pieces of meat on it. Dude, I need to know what kind of instrument this is they always use to play. So what is it? Like, what is it supposed to be? Is it like a burger? Damn, he's lathering that thing, bro. Fluttery! Squid and egg? That's what it is? Okonomiyaki? I probably definitely butchered that. Bro, their reactions every time they eat. Uh-oh. That's because you're gonna get some meat, Phil. Bro. Always like blushing. Scoop then flip. Oh, they're gonna flip it together? Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh, it's gonna rip apart. Damn. Well, Phil, here's your dinner. Some scraps. He's like, next time you flip it, okay? Why is it two O? It's like oyster. Like I can't even fucking say it. Oyster. Like what? Oh, he's gonna add some orc meat to it. So that was the first time that he used that grill. Oh gosh, what are they gonna hunt now? Oh, that's the guildmaster, isn't it? Uh-oh. Is it a letter? Oh, it's a good letter, okay. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's a bunch of women buying this soap and shampoo. Wait, what's he talking about? Okay, we're not gonna find out. Oh boy, here we go. What kind of like monsters or whatever would they even run into? Something flying? Oh shit, a dragon. Oh. Oh, they're gonna fight a dragon? Oh, we don't even get to see it. Come on, man. What the heck? Why do they always skip the fights? Pew pew. Oh my gosh. Shmoo boom. Oh gosh. Are they gonna have to open it outside? It's not gonna fit inside. Holy crap! Dude, they killed that thing. I want to see how they killed it, bro. Bro, he just wanted it for the meat. Like, come on. They're so small compared to it. Oh my gosh, no. Not him. They're all like, yeah, he's a weirdo. Oh gosh. So they're gonna go back to Nolan next? Or is he just gonna store it for a while? Are these offerings? Oh, he's gonna make snow cones. Oh shit. Yep, definitely snow cones. Sui gets to do it. Hey, let's go, Sui. Ooh. And milk. Ew, what is milk? Shaved ice gonna taste like? Wouldn't it just taste like cold milk? But why is it in like a toothbrush paste? Like, what the fuck? Oh gosh. Like, bro, it's like a milk paste. Blue Hawaii. I'm assuming that just tastes like blue raspberry. He put his forehead in it. Oh, he wants strawberry. I would probably go with strawberry too, to be honest. He looks mad. Oh, he's getting a brain freeze too. he's still like wishing they didn't kill that red dragon. Uh-oh. Something's going on. Oh gosh. What is it? I don't know what it is. Something in the mountains? The red dragon, and they already killed it. I bet that's what it is. Yeah, bro, I can almost guarantee it's the red dragon. Yep, I bet you. Bro, they already got rid of it. Bro, this is like the third or fourth time this has happened. They just saw it. We're like, yeah, let's kill it. Like, they didn't know it was bothering the town. Oh, they put a giant hole in that thing. Jeez. Oh, does he become S rank? Oh shit. Oh, yo. Dude, I think he's about to promote him. Dude. And this is the last episode of the season too, so him being S rank is like perfect here. He's got to write a report, man. Come on. Oh, time for an offering. They've been waiting for cake. Oh gosh, she wants beer. Bro, we need to see more of them. We hardly ever see them. They started saving funds. Does she not want anything? Oh, she wants the okonomi. I cannot fucking pronounce that. Oh, they all want to try it? Okonomi. Bro, I cannot say it. Okonomiyaki. Damn. That is so hard to say. He's like, if I send you in the ingredients, please make them yourselves. Damn, they want his... I want to eat yours. Whoa. Damn, bro. He's got to send all that shit. Firecrackers? What the heck? Alright, the last scene of season 2. So they're setting off? Yes, sir. That was a good season. Alright guys, that was Campfire Cooking Season 2, Episode 12, the season finale. A chill episode. It was pretty funny, and I enjoyed it a lot. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and all of my Campfire Cooking reactions every week. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video.